Hey there everybody, if you're watching this video, you probably want to know how to use Kling AI. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So in the first step, what you need to do is search on Google Chrome or any other browser Kling AI. Once you're on the page, you will see some images and videos generated by other users. In the next step, click on the sign in button at the top right corner to create your account. You can use your email address to sign up. If you prefer, you can skip the sign up process and jump right in. After signing in, you will receive 66 free credits each day. These credits allow you to generate up to 6 videos daily. The number 66 is favored in China, which is why it's used here. Now, click on the AI video button and select text to video. Enter your prompt and adjust the settings to make the video align with your prompt or be more creative. Currently, you can only use the high performance mode to generate a 5-second video. The high quality mode and the 10-second length option are not available yet. You can set the video's aspect ratio from 3 frequently used options. Choose the camera movement settings from options like horizontal, vertical, or other directions. Note that some larger camera motions are not yet available. Optionally, you can add a negative prompt before clicking generate. You can also use the image to video feature to upload your own image. I'm using a 4K image generated with Hit Photo, a popular AI image generator and enhancer. There's an option to add end frames similar to Luma AI, but this feature is not available yet. The settings are similar to those in the text to video features, but the image to video does not support camera movement. Upload your image and wait for the video to generate. It might take a while, but here's the video I created using this feature. Here you can see the video. The video quality isn't clear yet, mainly because the high quality option isn't available and the subscription portal is missing. However, I'm hopeful that Kling AI will address these issues soon. If we talk about Kling AI paid plans, it includes basic plan, pro plan, and premium plan. In basic plan, for $5 a month, user gets 660 credits, roughly 60 standard generation. This plan also includes ability to remove watermarks, generate videos in professional mode. In pro plan for $20 a month, users receive 3000 credits and priority access to new features. For advanced users, the premium plan offers 8000 credits per month. This plan suits users with high volume or high detail video generation needs. And that's pretty much all about how you can use Kling AI. Well, I hope you liked this video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.